Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatima. Welcome to my channel Cook with Fatima. Today we are going to make white sauce chicken cutlets. For that we need boiled mashed potatoes, boiled shredded chicken, corn, capsicum, Amul butter, all-purpose flour, Amul cheese, garam masala, black pepper powder, salt, oil, milk and chicken stock. Now let's start with the process. First, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoon Amul butter, now add half cup of corn, cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. मेक श्योर इसे ज़्यादा कुक नहीं करना है बिकॉज इसका क्रंचीनेस है वो चला जाएगा, इसीलिए हम इसको हाफ कुक ही करेंगे, 50% ओनली. Now take this out in a bowl. Now again add 1 tablespoon of Amul butter and the same way cook our capsicum also. Now take this in a bowl. Again add some butter. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. If you want you can add more butter also here. Here I am adding 1 piece of butter and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add chicken stock. Here I am adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of chicken stock and stir it continuously so that lumps will not form. Now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk and stir well. We will add milk into batches as per our need. Add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And now again add some milk. Now add cheese. Here I am using 2 big cubes of Amul cheese. and again add some milk and mix it well. Now add shredded chicken, corn and capsicum and mix everything nicely. And lastly add boiled mashed potatoes and mix it well. Now turn off the flame, and here our potatoes and the fillings are ready for the tikkis. Now make small cutlets. And here our cutlets are ready to fry. Here I have save and 2 eggs for frying. Beat this nicely. Dip all the cutlets one by one in an egg and coat it with the save. And fry it till it becomes golden brown. गाइस ये रेसिपी बहुत ज़्यादा इजी और टेस्टी है और ये बहुत कम इंग्रेडिएंट्स से बन जाती है। सो अगर आपके घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है तो आप इसे बहुत जल्दी और बहुत आसानी से बहुत ही टेस्टी कटलेट्स बना सकते हो। और इसे दोनों तरफ से गोल्डन ब्राउन होने तक पकाएं। एंड यस हमारे बहुत ही इजी और यमी कटलेट्स रेडी है। So guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And please follow me on Instagram. We'll see you with the new recipe. Till then, bye bye.